I'm Kara McKinley. I'm an assistant professor at Harvard and a Freeman-Hrabowski Scholar of the Howard Hughes Medical Institute. And I'm one of the co-organizers for Regenerative Biology of the Female Reproductive System, which is coming up April 10th to 12th, 2025 in Beverly, Mass. To our knowledge, this is the first meeting devoted exclusively to the biology of the female reproductive system. It will bring people together who study the vagina, the uterus, the ovaries, the cervix, the fallopian tubes, and also people who study the normal function of these organs and all of the things that can go wrong in various different diseases associated with them. So these are things like endometriosis, heavy bleeding, and infertility. This is biology that affects the lives of 4 billion people around the world, women, non-binary people, and trans men. And we're so excited to be shining a spotlight on this biology because it has been in the shadows for way too long. One of the things that is both cool and complicated about female reproductive biology is that humans are weird. We menstruate, we have menopause, we do implantation in a really weird way, we have weird placentation, all of these different things. And so one of the things that's been so important and is continuing to be so important in moving this field forward is building new models in vitro and in vivo that will allow us to actually access this human relevant biology. And many of the speakers that we've brought in for this meeting are really focused on pushing these frontiers forward, and we are really looking forward to hearing from them. My hope is that this meeting is going to establish all sorts of new collaborations that we wouldn't have even imagined were possible. In my dream outcome of this meeting is that something comes out of it that I absolutely couldn't predict for you from where I sit right now because of some unique emergent property that came out of a conversation here. I think that's really what we need, is to sort of be looking for opportunities that'll push us in exciting new directions that we can't even guess from where we are now. We are really excited to have the opportunity to hear from trainees at this meeting. We think that they're absolutely the lifeblood and the future of the field. They're the ones who actually do all the work that the PIs then get up and talk about. So we want to hear directly from them. If you're a trainee thinking about presenting a short talk, your deadline to submit an abstract will be January 15th. We'll also have an incredible, vibrant poster session. And for those who want to present in that more informal, conversational format, your deadline will be March 19th. So please get those abstracts in. We are so excited to hear from you. I'm really excited about this meeting for the people I think of as the aficionados in the reproductive health space who will be able to meet their colleagues who they've seen doing this beautiful work that has probably influenced their own work, but at the same time, give them a chance to actually really dig in and talk over dinner and lunch and all of those things to identify new synergies that you just can't get over paper. That said, what I am actually most excited about for this meeting is bringing new people into the field. I think that this is going to be the perfect place for trainees, PIs running their labs in academia or industry who are either entering the field or thinking about entering the field and not really sure what the landscape looks like, because we really need everyone to be able to move the needle on women's health. And so I really think this will be a convening space for all of us to get together and help accelerate those who are trying to join the field now. I am so excited to meet and hear from all of the people signed up for this meeting. It really is all of my heroes. And I am sort of preparing my fingers to get the typing as fast as possible so I can take all of the notes. I think it's clear that people are excited for this. There's a hunger for this because everyone we invited said yes. And so with that in mind, really, these are the top flight people in the field talking about all sorts of different axes of this, people who are developing new models, clinicians who are pushing forward the sort of translational work in this space, and everything in between. Having a meeting focused on the female reproductive system is long overdue, but it is here now. So come and join us for this incredible opportunity to meet the leaders in the field. Please register today. I look forward to seeing you in Beverly.